क्रेजी लिखा है मेरे बारे में, हैं? मजाल है तुम्हारी?
आप क्रेजी लग रहे हो इस पे, इसीलिए तो बोल रहा हूँ।
फैशनेबल हूँ, फैशनेबल।
अच्छा,
संजू, संजू, घर यहाँ है हमारा। खाता रहता है और मेरे बारे में बोलता रहता है। हैं?
नहीं तो
हैं?
ढंग के कपड़े पहनो ना, बकवास कपड़े पहना तुमने।
ढंग के? ये ढंग के नहीं है, हैं?
क्या है ये सब
मेरे
फूल
कपड़े
फूल यहाँ
ढंग
पे?
के नहीं है?
नहीं
तो
क्या है फटा हुआ सब यहाँ
तुम दिखाओ ना सबको कि तुमने क्या पहन रखा है।
हाँ दिखाओ दिखाओ।
पे? पैंट भी निकालनी है मुझे, ठहर जाओ।
मैं नहीं उतारूंगी सबके
थोड़ा
सामने
संभाल
वो
के
भी।
एक सेकंड ना राज, कुछ और निकल जाए तो।
या कुछ और निकल जाए इससे पहले।
अच्छा है? आपको अच्छा लगा? हाँ? मैंने
ये सिर्फ
खरीदा
लड़कियों
है।
के लिए था।
Could you tell us a little more about this song? It seems very surreal. Is it just for promotional purposes? Is it in the film? What's it all about?
It's a crazy song. It's a song about the character. It's a song about Imran's character, and it's a tribute to Bhai Vidya, to Imran's character, and largely universally it's a tribute to all the husbands, all the boyfriends, all the fiancé who who are mostly crazy. And of course the song is there in the film.
Actually, I must tell you that when Raj offered me the film, I said, no way, I can't do this. This is outrageous. This is hilarious, yes, but I just couldn't see myself playing someone so loud and even crude, if I may say so. She's, bordering on the crude. But I'm glad he convinced me to do it. I've just had so much fun doing the in-your-face thing, whether it's with the clothes or with the attitude. And I'm hoping everyone enjoys her and enjoys the film.
I want to ask you, what's the craziest thing you have done with Vidya of late, and what's the laziest thing you've done of late, Imran?
The craziest thing I've done, crazy in a good way, is Ghan Chakkar.
I think the craziest thing is roaming around like this in this city. I thought this is going to be only for one day of shooting, but eventually it kind of lingered on. I've traveled in local trains in this, and I'm looking like a freak in the film. But everyone has seen me wear this, and I think the laziest thing, I think a lot of lazy things that I do. I think this song is a tribute to practically all the men. After a hard day's of work, we're like back home, and I'm back home, and we want our popcorn, we want our plasma TV, and we want to just sit back and just laze around. I think men are very good at doing that. So I think it's tribute to all of us.
नहीं, मैं कुक बिल्कुल नहीं करती, पर घन चक्कर के लिए मैंने बहुत कुक किया, और इमरान ने मजा उठा के खाया बहुत बार.
थोड़ा ज्यादा नमक डालती हैं खाने में, थोड़ा ज्यादा, थोड़ा वो खुश रखने के लिए कभी कहना पड़ता है कम है नमक.
Hi Raj, can you just tell us more about Ghan Chakkar? What else he does?
He plays a guy who loves to laze around. He plays an ex-con guy who who basically gets involved in his last con job after he has retired. And now what happens between the couple? I mean, there are a lot. It's a very quirky comic thriller. It's a comic thriller where we don't the situations don't rely on hitting below the belt or for that matter in your face comedy. So it's a fun ride. It's a fun ride where we see this couple, we follow this couple, and things happen in their life, and how equation change or what happens after that.
I must tell you that I haven't come across another actor who does not laugh when he sees someone laughing. You know, I have a problem. I laugh like a maniac sometimes. I get into these laughing fits. And sometimes I'd be laughing and Imran would be like this, like the Buddha. So I really hope someday I'm able to do the same thing to him. Because you feel it's so bad about laughing, but you can't control yourself. But some of the situations were so hilarious in Ghanchakkar that, you know, I ended up laughing a lot more than I normally do. Is that right, Raj?
Well, actually, yeah, I didn't laugh much through the shooting of this film. There was once actually with the other I laughed and smiled. It was when you were not looking. And it was when Raj said it was back up the end of the day. And that obviously, that smile was an accident. Yeah, that was an accident and never happened again.
Just now, I heard Vidya saying that you don't laugh. A few other actors who've been pitted up, actresses who have been pitted opposite to you have also said that you are quite serious. Is this the instructions given to you from home, from your other half?
It's not like I used to laugh much before my marriage and uske baad meri hansi band ho gayi. Aisa nahi hai. I laugh, but I think it's doing too many serious roles. I think I need to lighten up as far as the genres are concerned. Too many dark roles, too many angry scenes. I think it's just become a part of me. And I'm hoping, obviously, Ghanchakkar, I started smiling more. Do you see this? I'm smiling. After marriage also.
ये जो चेंज है, कोई भी रोल हो या कोई भी सीन हो, बड़ी बेबाकी से रहता है आपका. ये एक चेंज हम देखने लगे आफ्टर द डर्टी पिक्चर. ये क्या हमें ही लगता है या फिर आपको भी लगता है that you have become
नहीं,
more
मुझे भी
comfortable?
लगता है कि with every film, with every role that I've played in the past, maybe 4 or 5 years particularly, एक बेबाकपन आ गया है मुझ में, पहले से भी ज़्यादा. I think I'm just, I'm enjoying every minute of what I do because I'm living my dream of being an actor. I'm being offered such a wide variety. मैं उसका बस मजा उठा रही हूँ. I'm making the most of it, and I think which is why you see that. But I do think that films like The Dirty Picture have given me Ishqiya, have given me another sort of. They've liberated me in a different sort of way on screen, which is there for everyone to see.
I think definitely. I think there's a sense of abandonment, and I think a film like Dirty Picture that was, a huge gear shift for her, a character that I don't think anyone could portray, because I think that's the best compliment that an actor can get when they see someone. When you see someone portray a certain character, you can't see anyone else play that at all, and I think that needed a certain amount of abandon. That character, it couldn't have been done, and I think she was the only one who could do that, because generally actors also hold back a lot. I think that required to kind of just give everything, and she did that. And I think an extension of that can be seen in Ghanchakkar's character. And also, just I want to say a bit about the chemistry in Dirty Picture. I think people, I think the audience, everyone longs to see somewhere I don't think there was enough screen time of Silk and Abraham together. I think people long to see their relationship culminate into something else to go further, but it stopped dead over there. And I think this film, although the relationship is very different, takes it 10 steps further. There still are the fights, there's still the entertainment quotient, and I think people are going to love this. It's